Today's topic for discussion is Introduction to Major Market Diseases of Fruits, Part 3. In India, actual availability of fruits and vegetables in the market goes down by 35% to 40% due to post-harvest losses. These losses are not only due to lack of awareness about stages from its production to consumption, but owing to high moisture content, they are highly susceptible, that is, the fruits are highly susceptible to attack by variety of fungal pathogens. The value of the fruit directly related with the quality of the fruit. Next slide. A slight change in the quality of fruits causes economical loss. The quality of fruits that depends on size, shape, flavor and color of the fruit and absence of skin rashes, injuries, taste and texture of fruit plays very important role. The quality is decided on this basis. Physiological changes occur in the infected fruits due to biochemical interaction of pathogen and host. The physiological disorders of the fruits also caused due to adverse environmental factors. Low as well as very high temperature causes direct loss of water from the fruits. Due to this, the fruits become more susceptible to fungal decay for fungal infection. High humidity reduces dehydration of fruits but also influence growth of fungi. In presence of high humid conditions, there greater and greater loss of fruits caused due to infection of fungi. However, the factors like handling of fruits, temperature and humidity during harvest period, mechanical injury, the time of harvest, type of storehouse, age of fruits during harvest, injuries caused before and after infection, packing system during transportation, type of packing material, storage period, environment of go down, distance of transportation, type of road might also affect the behavior of the fruit. All these factors are responsible to the behavior of the fruit. The post-harvest diseases can be reduced by the use of proper packing material, packing technique and careful handling of the fruits. We can avoid the post-harvest diseases. The apples are sold in market which are coated with waxy substances to avoid moisture loss of fruit that increases the shelf life of fruits. The thin polythene bags are also used as packing material that reduces dehydration of fruits and helps to extend shelf life of the fruits and spread of mycoflora or the fungi from one fruit to others in a single package. Proper handling of fruits during harvest, careful grading, packing and transportation are very important factors to avoid post-harvest diseases of fruits during storage. Fruit sellers get good price only when the fruits retain its health and essence. At certain farms, the fruit bunches are covered with the polythene bags to avoid ground touch to the fruits. The fruits are highly sensitive to exogenous agencies such as fungi, bacteria that affect the quality of fruit and causes loss of fruit. The diseases of fruits which occur after harvest during packing, transportation and storage periods due to fungal and bacterial pathogens are called post-harvest diseases. The market pathology, it is a special branch of pathology and there is need to study the market diseases of fruits in India. We produce lots of fruits in India. So all types of environment is present in India. In every corner, different types of fruit we can grow, and heavy losses are caused due to post-harvest fungi. There is need of study of post-harvest diseases. Still there is need of research on, a vast research is essential on market diseases or post-harvest diseases of fruits to avoid the post-harvest losses which are caused due to parasitic fungi and due to the techniques which are required. This is all about market decisions of fruits.